Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Xfinity Wi-Fi blinking yellow during setup, USDS and firmware update. Fix 1 is wait for the gateway to finish starting. Plug the Xfinity gateway into a working power outlet, then wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to complete startup. During startup, the light may blink yellow while connecting. Check if the light turns solid white when setup is complete. Second one is check the coax cable connection. Make sure the coax cable is tightly connected to the gateway. Check the wall outlet connection as well, then look for damage or bent cable. Restart the gateway after reconnecting the cable. Third one is restart the gateway. Unplug the power cable, wait for 30 seconds, then plug the gateway back in. Allow it to restart completely. Fourth one is check for Xfinity service outage. Open the Xfinity app on your phone, then check if there is a service outage in your area. Wait until the outage is resolved if one is reported. Try the setup again. Fifth one is reset factory the gateway. Locate the reset button on the gateway, then press and hold it for 30 seconds. Release the button and wait for the gateway to restart. Set up the gateway again using the Xfinity app. Thanks for watching.